Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to move BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. First, let's go into the Binance app. Once in the app, you're going to tap on Wallets in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you're going to tap on Withdraw. Then you'll select BNB from the coin list and you'll tap on Send via Crypto Network, and you can see that it is asking for an address. To get that address, you'll simply close out of Binance and go into Trust Wallet. Once in Trust Wallet, you're going to tap on BNB and you will tap on Receive. Once you have selected Receive, you will see a page just like this, and you're going to tap on Copy in the bottom left hand corner, as that's the address you want to copy to paste in Binance. And you're going to open Binance again, and you're going to paste the link you had copied right on the address right here. Tap on Confirm. And here you'll simply enter the amount that you want to send. If you want to send all of it, you'll tap on Max. And after you have done that, you'll tap on Withdraw in the bottom right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.